Stop for a second. If you feel tired, even when you haven't done anything, if your mind keeps jumping from one thought to another, and you keep asking yourself, why can't I focus anymore? This story is not advice. It's about what's happening inside your head every single day. Most people think they have a focus problem. They don't. They have a noise problem. And the strange part is, you don't even notice the noise anymore because you're living inside it. And this is where the story begins. I used to be quiet, not empty, just quiet. Back then, I could stay with one thought, finish it, let it go. Now, I don't even get to start. I am his mind. I wake up before he does, before his eyes open, before his hand reaches for the phone. I am already tired. Every morning, he says the same thing. Today, I'll focus. He believes it. I don't argue anymore. The moment the screen lights up, I begin to disappear. Messages, headlines, videos, advice from people who don't even know his name. Each one pulls me in a different direction. I try to stay, but I'm stretched thin, scattered, interrupted. He thinks he lacks discipline. That's not true. He lacks silence. Once he could sit with one task, not because he was special, but because nothing else was screaming. Now everything wants attention, especially the things that don't matter. Sometimes he opens a book. I get hopeful, but 5 minutes later, his phone vibrates and I lose him again. He blames himself, calls himself lazy, weak, broken. I wish I could speak. I would tell him, you are not failing. You are overloaded. At night, when the lights are off, I finally get space to breathe. But that's when memories arrive. Old conversations, unfinished plans, imaginary futures. I work overtime then. No one thanks me. He asks the internet, how do I focus? Thousands of answers appear. Morning routines, apps, hacks. None of them ask how I'm holding up. One day, something changes. Not dramatically. No motivation speech, no breakthrough moment. He simply puts the phone face down, just for a few minutes. I feel it instantly. The noise drops. Not completely, but enough. For the first time in a long while, I can stay with one thought. It feels unfamiliar, almost dangerous. He notices it too. He doesn't smile. He doesn't celebrate. He just stays with the task, with me. Nothing magical happens. No success story. No sudden clarity. But something important returns. Continuity. I remember what it's like to finish a sentence, to complete a thought, to rest. Tomorrow the noise will return. I know that. But now he knows something too. Focus didn't disappear. It was just buried. I am his mind. I was never broken, just interrupted. You knew this.